This is my site. I can write for on page for this website. This is called WordPress. So how to log in WordPress websites? mydomain.com/wp-admin. This is the syntax. focusmindtech.com/wp-admin. This is called my WordPress login. It's complete for premium version. It's based on your hosting. Based on your hosting. Now you are taking for this one username and password. Click for login. Now what is called? We open for the WordPress dashboard along with the username and password. So in my website, I'm clicking for about us, services, course, lot of things are there. I'm clicking for corporate training. What's showing here? Corporate training and focus my tech, IT training, consulting and development. Now I'm clicking for what is that? Online training. They're showing for online training everything. So here, this is all my pages. This is called my home page. Just here, go to dashboard. WordPress complete dependent by the plugins. What is that? Plugins. So here, what is it going to the plugins? So what is my first question is how to add on page on my website, each page. That is called, the plugin name is called Yoast. YOAST. Please write down the plugin. Yoast plugin. This is a plugin here. YOAST. Yoast plugin. Simple here. Just go to the plugin option. What is the option called is? Plugin here. You can search like this. We can install plugin by here. Yoast plugin here. Is already installed. What is that? Yoast SEO plugin. So it's completely dependent by the plugins. We can't write by the customized code by WordPress and on-page purpose. So I'm going to where pages. What the pages are there? Services, course, recruitment, registration, infrastructure, blog, career, and contact us. Go to pages. What is that? About us, AngularJS, big data, all. So here, what is that? Big data technologies. Just now click. What is my title here? Big data technologies. Right now, no course are there. Just we can focus any course here. I have changing for table AU title here. So previous what is that? Online table AU training. Table AU training in Hyderabad, India. Now here, just go to pages. What is the option call is? Table AU. Now check here one by one. Just go to second page. So I'm checking for table AU here, not for the second page also. What is that? Table AU. Now click for edit. So what is my plugin name is? Yoast plugin. So this is one. What is my previous title? Just look here. Only for Hyderabad, India, US will be there. Just go to your plugin. Just scroll down. Here two options. This is the HTML format. This is called visual. Visual nothing but your content. Just scroll up. Now what is that? Edit, SnipNet. What is that? SEO title and stock and meta description. What is writing here? Online table training, table training course. So I'm searching for here. The course I'm preparing for. So total how many characters will be support? How many characters support? Hmm? So open by 70 characters. So I'm writing here. So they give us line. Suppose I'm exceed. What is showing here? Error. That is called red line. So always I show you by the less than 70 characters. Just remove this. Still they're going to. So what is my title is? Online table training classes, table AU training course in Hyderabad, India. What the previous one? Online table AU training in Hyderabad, India, yes. Now you're just done. Now click for here. What option call is updates. Done. Now check. What is that? Just control U. This is a previous title. Yes or no? Now refresh. Now refresh. Is changing? Is changing here? Not changing here. Where they remove not remove the US and they are not adding a class. I'm adding what is that? Online training class and table training course in Hyderabad, India. So both are different. Just come to down here. What is that? Online table AU training and table AU training in India, yes. Yes. Table AU online training institute in Hyderabad, India. Yes. The new update. Which one the plugin will be called? Poster plugin. Now click forward that page. Now what the previous title is? Online table AU training. Now refresh. Done. What is changing for? Table AU online training institute in Hyderabad, India, US. What the previous and now what is different? Previous online table AU training pipe. We can give like this. So what are you using for here? Hyderabad, India, US. Now I'm writing for. Just scroll down. What I'm using here? Pipe. Now, this is the hoster plugin. What is this? One more SEO tag. What is this? This is called one more plugin. The plugin name is called All SEO Pack. What is that? The plugin name is All SEO Pack. Where we install? In a plugin part. Just go to update here. I see this one. Where option call is plugins. What is the plugin name? All SEO Pack. There is one more plugin. What is that? All in one SEO pack. What is the second one is that? Hoster SEO. Without plugin, we can add the on page into a WordPress. We can't. That is called, just look here, tools, users here. I'm going to settings, just here. What option call is? Editor. Where? the plugin. The option call is editor. What is this? This is my editor part. Which one? All SEO pack. About the All SEO plugin here. Now just appearance. What is that? Theme, customize, widget, header, background, about, and what is that? Editors. See here, this is a complete for coding part here. This is our website editor. These are the website editor parts. You can check by where appearance pass. Free and premium, what are different? Up to all option will be same. What is the option will be changed? One is called about, canonical, and editor option. If you write the on page, we're using with the host and all-in-one SEO pack. The way we check, just go to page, select your page, just scroll down. The option call is SEO title and description. Title will be 80 characters, sorry, 70 characters. Description will be 160 characters. Now check. What is that here? SEO title will be no title and no description. We'll check. I go to about us. What's showing here? About us and something here. So I'm going to here a page. Click for edit. What I'm writing for? SEO title and description. What title here? Nothing will be there. About us. What is that? About us, vision, missions, core values, and offerings. Previous, what is that here? Only for about us. Now, writing here. What is that? Is a description. Just same one. Done. Click. What is the click for? Update. Now check your previous one. What the previous title will be? About us only. Now refresh. Is updating. About us, vision, missions, core values, and offerings. Install by Osta plugin. You can update by where? Select the page. Click for edit. You can write by the SEO title and description. Title will be 70 characters. Description will be 160 characters. Is it clear? So if you're writing any on page about WordPress, that depended by the complete for plugins. Complete for plugins. That is called host and all SEO pack. So I can show the procedure. I can repeat a one by one step. First, you log in your WordPress account. The option call is dashboard. How to open your dashboard? mydomain.com/pp-admin. After that, go to your dashboard. The option call is for install for SEO on page purpose. Install by the two plugins. Go to the where option call is appearance. Below the option call is plugins. Click the plugin. Go to dashboard. The option call is appear below option. What is that? Plugin. Option call is install plugin. They're showing for one search box. We can install the two plugins. One is called All SEO pack, all-in-one SEO pack. Second will be Osta plugin, Osta SEO, YOAST, Osta plugin. In two, can install only for one plugin only. Osta will be better, all-in-one except. Which one? Hosta plugin. Install only for one plugin. What the plugin name is? Hosta. YOAST. Hosta plugin. After install plugin, select any page on your dashboard. Where? Go to pages. Select any page for writing for SEO title and description. Click for edit. Select any page for writing SEO on page purpose. Click for edit. After the content, they showing for two options. One is called SEO title and SEO description. Write down the SEO title and description for each page using Yoasta SEO plugin. Now look the screen. Here, click for edit. So just scroll down after the content. See this. What's that? Title and description. Title will be 60 character, description will be 160 character. After the click for update. Is it clear? This is called update by the WordPress on page. That is called premium. Is completely dependent by the Yoasta plugin. Complete for plugin. SEO on page for Yoasta and all-in-one SEO pack.